still no retirement at your age? You know what? You're not alone. And a lot of people are struggling to find ways to make money online, but they're not sure how to do it. I have found the solution that's easy, simple, and it doesn't take up much time in your day. So come along, sit down and listen to me. If you're new to me, hey, my name is Stokes, and I lost my job after being laid off. So I found this a way to build a 4 to 5 figure business online without breaking the bank. So let's take a look about what's going on. What I do is I do something from my home that takes 30 minutes a day. It's simple, it's realistic, and it's helped me build a dependable weekly revenue stream without the hype, just a system. There's no inventory or selling. I don't stock products. I don't host parties. I don't buy a bunch of stuff and hope and pray that it sells. It's not that kind of thing. This is a membership-based module. Think of Costco or Amazon style. People join for access and savings, and it creates a reoccurring revenue over time. Costco, Amazon, and Netflix make billions off their memberships alone. And less than 33 cents a day, why not join and check it out? There are multiple ways to earn inside this module, including weekly payouts and longer term monthly revenue. So it's just not one way and it's done. It stacks and it compounds. There's no need to be techie at all. If you can scroll, talk, and follow a simple system, you can do this. Trust me, I'm not building websites all day. Best part of all, is flexible and portable. This is where you can do it from your car, between lunch breaks, between work breaks, from your couch, or from a coffee shop because it fits real life. There's support and training, so you're not doing this alone. There's a step-by-step blueprint, so you're not guessing or not trying to figure it out by yourself. So, like me, if you're at this age and you're stressing about your retirement, you need to think about why you need to get started today. Is it because you're sick of that quiet pressure? Is it because you're close to retirement or you're feeling you're not far ahead? Whatever it is, this will do it for you because the company profit shares with you. With 2.3 million members in the first 3 years, it's projected by 2030 to have 30 million members. And where are they going to fall? They are going to fall under you. The comp plan is mind-blowing, and once you see it, you cannot unsee it. So, my friends, if you don't believe me, check out Mel Gibson, Ben Shapiro, Russell Brand, or Joe Rogan as they share this on their podcast. And last, most importantly, do your research. Pre-enrolling doesn't cost you anything. In the Facebook group that I'm going to send you to, all you have to do is go to the features tab and look at the 2 videos that I'm going to tag you in. Once you see this, you'll be happy that I told you about it today. If you want more questions, message me down in the comments, or you can go to my Facebook page and send me a friend request. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope this makes everything easy for you, and thank you for joining me.